Hello everyone and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. I hope you guys all had a fire ass new year. I am so sorry for my delay. We had a fire in one of the businesses and I had to go fix that shit because that's never gonna go away when you run a bunch of stuff. But I hope you guys made some money and I hope you guys got some good trades in. Let's get into today's video. We're gonna focus on Baby Grok. We're gonna go over the numbers. We're gonna do some quick TA, see how the past couple of days have been for us. And more importantly, if you're gonna trade, you're gonna use the Margex link below and you're gonna get some awesome features using that bad boy. I do want to show it to you guys and I'll make a dedicated video because I'm not always just trying to shill it, but I do recommend you guys try it. It is super freaking worth it, especially if you're trading every goddamn day. Like, why would you miss on a leverage opportunity like this with no KYC, which is totally worth it. Now let's get into Grok, right? So Baby Grok, actually, Baby Grok's where we're at right now. From the last time we were playing, it had hit this top because this is where we checked it last, and the question is, if it had surpassed this, would we have gotten into a long? Yes. And here's the thing, boys, we have not surpassed that freaking mark right there. So that's not good news because that would mean that that is fully the new resistance. So that means that resistance that we drew right there is gonna probably be here to stay, and the likelihood of it going away, I don't know. Because here's the thing, we had three topping points. We had this one, we had this one, and then now that one was a failed, a lot of times I'll like call it a failed wave. So this is a failed next wave, and that's bad news because that means that there was not enough buying pressure, as you can see here, to move the momentum up and shift it through the last resistance. So if we don't do that, and we don't do that here fairly freaking soon, even with the small Bitcoin and Ethereum pump that we're kind of seeing right now, thanks to the ETFs being approved, that's not good. That's not very good in the light for fundamentals, and TA wise, that's not very good. So that's something to really kind of think about as a big negative moving point to where we kind of are today. So this might have been the top stop. I don't want any negativity because I'm very positive about this, like sentiment wise in the long run, but in the short run I'm very negative right now, and it's stressing me out. I don't want the negativity for myself, shit. So like, that's one thing. Where my current play is, I'm gonna wait it out, see if we break out. If we don't break out, I'm not going back in. If we do break out, I am gonna get a fat bag and see if we can make it back above this. And if we do, that is a clear, I think that's like a 25 to 30% thing. Remember, it's not letting me do the percent. We've tried and tried. Yeah, look, it's just not giving me a number. I don't freaking know why. I mean, there's not even somebody I can freaking ask, you know? So that's some annoying shit. I'll solve it by the next video. But by the looks of it, we're at 2.8 million in liquidity, $39 million in market cap. The liquidity to market cap is still a damn good number, which means that pretty good devs, they still have a 5% buy and sell tax. Let's look at it. What has it been for the past, what, couple days? Let's do at least the past 2 days. They've had about $870,000 worth of movement, which basically is like 80k in, I think it's 80k because it's 5 and 5 in tax. So it's still going to be a moving liquid. Here's the thing to you guys, when we're paying taxes like this, a lot of times it means that they have the chance to advertise it and market it, and the more they can, the more likely we have for the token to go up and our bags to fill up better. So just kind of keep that in mind. You know, I'm a trader, so like for this one specifically, I'm trading it, I'm in and out, so I'm waiting to see if it gets past it, then I'll get my bag full. But otherwise, usually for like the long holds, I'll go with the big cap things like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, like my 401k I'd say is in Bitcoin. You know, I can tell you which wallet, but you know, that's the best way I think of it, because I do think when we're freaking 60, right, I got what, couple 30-40 years for that shit. Once I'm that age, I'm hoping that that is a bigger retirement fund than all the other crap that my parents back in the day were all about and wanting to do. So it's just something to keep in mind. We have the luxury of crypto for our investment long-term portfolio, and we have the capability to make life-changing money every week where our parents did not. So just kind of keep that in mind as you're playing in the crypto world. You know, keep watching this token. Oh, and don't forget, use the link below. One more thing, man, the boys have been growing, and honestly, like, YouTube's been really fun because I enjoy trading and I enjoy learning how to share the information for you guys. And honestly, I enjoy the shit out of the comments. It means the world to me to see how happy some of you guys get. I just freaking love you guys for it. Thank you so much for watching. I know we didn't get to the 2,500, it's a second, but that's okay. We got to 2472. so we can make it in the next couple of months. And you want to know something? I know we'll get to 2,500 by the end of this month, so I want to set a goal to maybe 5,000 by the end of this month. And I know with the guys and the boys and the team, we can do it, everybody. So I appreciate the support. I appreciate the likes, the comments. It just means the world. Let's have a great year. Let's hopefully turn a couple of you into millionaires within the next couple of quarters. That would be beautiful. And if we can turn 100 of you into millionaires this year through crypto or any other means that has helped you, that would be awesome. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one.